Hey, it's Luana and I'm here to show you the young adults gotta cook. Today's episode is part 6 in our plate lunch series and we're going to be making chicken katsu. So without further ado, let's get started. Ingredients you'll need are boneless, skinless chicken thighs, flour, eggs, panko, you'll need vegetable oil, some ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, pepper, my favorite, and salt. First, start off by mixing the Worcestershire and the ketchup to make the katsu sauce. Next, you're going to want to season both sides of your chicken thighs with salt and pepper. You're going to do a basic breading procedure using flour, eggs, and panko, but the trick is to use one hand for the wet ingredients and the other hand for the dry ingredients, so at the end, you don't have nasty clumpy fingers. I opted to pan fry my chicken, but you could deep fry it as well. Just make sure to cook it until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees. That took me about 5 minutes on each side. Alright folks, and there you have it. Crispy, crunchy chicken katsu. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned for next week's episode because we're going to continue our plate lunch series and we're going to be making loco moco. Aloha, and I'll see you next Friday.